Well, this is a nice street. We're here in Silverlake, in a great neighborhood in Los Angeles. And my name is Ethan, and I'm going to show you this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. And this one is located at 1733 Lucille Avenue. So let's go take a look. Now this is a great apartment, and it just came back on the market because originally the people who rented it a couple months back had to change their schedule. So we put it back on the market a week ago. So I'm going to show you, hopefully you like it. You can apply online and grab it before anybody else does. That's important. This building has, wow, this hill. You have to walk down this big hill. It's going to be good for you. Now I like this one because it has a condo feel to it also. It doesn't have that, I live in an apartment type of vibe to it. It's going to give you a long parking space, big enough for 2 cars right here. Now let's go upstairs and check the place out. These are the stairs that lead up to the apartment. And here we are. Let's take a look around. We enter right near the kitchen. It's going to give you a dishwasher, of course the range, stainless fridge, good cabinet space, and a big pantry. Now, if I step into the kitchen and take a look around, I think that'll give you a good view of the living room. Big open space in the living room. This apartment is about 1,300 square feet. One of the really unique features, which I always like to see what the residents of this building do with this feature of the building. This is above the stairs outside, so you have this steps down. It's really wide actually, so I've seen people turn it into like a desk. I think my favorite was a vinyl record player here and a bunch of records and boxes right there. These are some built-in shelves that you can put decorations and books on, and a fireplace, a wood-burning fireplace with a gas starter. So if you want to use the gas starter, you can go ahead and do that. If not, just use normal wood kindling. Now this is the one feature of this property that is going to sell everybody who walks in. It always does, and that is the view. Wow. You get a load of that. You can check out the Griffith Observatory behind me, the Hollywood sign, and you can see on a clear day, sometimes you can even see the water. But that over there is Santa Monica. You got Los Feliz right there. All these different neighborhoods of LA. This is a good location to get to the valley, or downtown, of course. And Silverlake is a great happening place with a lot of cool businesses and good walkability if you can get used to the hills. So you have the glass lights, not only on the wall, really cool architectural feature. And the skylight, it's going to let a lot of light into the hallway. You have a dryer and washer that are going to come with the apartment. Always want to know if it has central heat and AC. It does. And the layout is, you got 1 bedroom on the left, 1 bedroom on the right. Both bedrooms have that same awesome view. And really big closets. It's a walk-through closet. Walk through into the restroom. You got the full bath here. Nice wide sink vanity. Go back out through the walk-through closet. This is the other bedroom. Same thing. Gorgeous view. Size of the bedrooms is about exactly the same, it looks like. This closet The bedroom on the right looks a little bit bigger. And you've got a full bathtub in the other bathroom too. And this bathroom comes with this huge bonus closet. Pretty deep, a lot of room for your luggage, decorations, what have you. The closet again, I really like this closet. So you've just got to imagine yourself coming down these stairs each morning to see your big open space and that beautiful view, all the light coming in. Like I said, it's a ton of space. And you've got this little nook next to the kitchen bar area. So think about applying for this. We're gonna have it ready for move-in right away. Our applications are online at eglproperties.com. My name is Ethan. I hope you find the place you're looking for. I'm here to help. So email the link that you saw our listing on, whatever link that was. I'll get your email, ask me any questions you have. Thanks a lot. And yeah, I always do a load of laundry at these open houses. Thanks. Another bonus, storage. In the garage here is a big storage space.